Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a little news item and also a personal comment of something that I've talked about in the past, and I already had, given my opinion of how terrible this could be, and how companies are often careless with our data. So the news broke out that the DNA kit company 23andMe has been breached in a big way. Millions of customer personal DNA profiles have been leaked. And we have seen some that have been leaked online to demonstrate where, all the info that they have. I mean, there's different types of leaks of personal data. When you get breached and the person gets, passwords and stuff like that. Well, it's sad, but you can easily and quickly do something because you could just change your passwords, do things like that. And, usually damage, if there's no damage done, you're okay. There's some that have a lot more personal data, and there's been some banks and some companies that have been in there where now you get personal data of people with all the information needed to, say, go into their ask for a credit card or a loan on their own name and personal info. That's getting a little more complicated. And then, all the mitigation that has to be done in the credit bureau and stuff like that. But 23andMe reaches a new level. It's giving out data that we already know the power and the potential, your DNA profile. And it is a huge problem. And once again, it's sad, but it's a clear example of how we can't trust any company with personal data. We don't know what can happen. We don't know where it could happen. And the people behind these companies, often when they are breached or if something happens, half the truth, not the real full story until sometimes months, if not years later. I think there needs to be a new way to make sure that things are secure, because there's too many of these breaches happening. And the more personal data you get on someone, the bigger the profile on somebody, well, the less you are secure yourself in this world, because all of the profile, the DNA, the info they have on you is pretty much what you are and who you are. And it's scary to think about what can be done in the future for that. So this is my personal opinion. We can't trust companies with our data. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.